Your destination is on the right.
Oh, where am I supposed to? 9. There it goes. Yep. Nope, nope, nope. Yep, this is the guy right here. Oh my goodness. Let me see. 9:13. I don't even know if I'm in the right place. Oh, let me back up just in case before I get shot. You have it all covered up? Oh my God, it's sitting here to die, man.
Yes.
Oh man, it breaks my heart every time I see this.
And the volume here is the motor.
Huh?
Volume here is the motor.
Wow. Wow.
Cover for engine.
Holy smack. How long has it been like this?
Could be 2 years.
2 years? You had it working before? What was the tubes got bad?
It's de-inflating.
No. How's the bottom? There's a lot of work, but listen, I'm willing to do the work. It just got to make sense.
You gotta make money.
Huh?
You gotta make money because I know I'm probably never gonna deal with this thing.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Chances are, not many people are crazy enough to buy it. This is a lot of work, but is anybody that's willing? We'll see. See if it makes sense. All right. So it begins. On the quest to get a new home. I gotta get another jack now, raise it up there in the middle. I don't want it to get messed up. This is where you get the most damage right here, guys. Right here in the keel. So I do not want to damage this at all. Check it out, this is what I'm doing. I'm bringing it down. Oh, wrong one. That's it. What a mission.
You messed up. It was difficult.
Yeah, it's tough. But it's... No, but the hardest part's out right there. That was the hardest part. Oh my goodness. It's happened. Man, I didn't even bang it up in the process of getting it on here. So I just gotta... I gotta do it a little bit better. I gotta adjust it a little bit more. My God, the famous gas station again. Oh my God, what a beautiful, beautiful specimen of a woman this boat is. Oh my God, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this is a masterpiece. Wow. What a diamond in the rough. I'm telling you, this is like a 12 carat that's just dirty. Oh my God. Oh my God, what a find. What a beautiful, beautiful little rib, bro. Oh my goodness. Can you guys even visualize this or no? I don't know if you can.
That boat seen better days,
but
huh?
This boat?
Seems better days, huh?
Man, this boat is this is a gem, man.
Yeah.
This is a diamond.
How old is this thing?
That was a 2018.
Is it?
Yeah, but they had it sitting
Wow.
and yeah, they had it like
rain.
Well, we'll fix it. We'll fix it up.
Oh yeah, ain't nothing you can fix.
Yeah. Hey, if you want, I'm selling it.
Nah.
What do you mean, man?
Nah.
Come on, man.
I don't fit one person.
I'll give you $150 and it's yours. $150. All right. I guess not. All right. So let's look at the inside of this guy. Got a nice little small locker. Oh my God, did I get... Oh yeah, baby, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Nice little paddle. Cause you know, you need a paddle. Do we have a battery? No, we don't. Hey, but we got this. Hey, there we go. We might have a pump. Wow, this thing is amazing. All right, well, let's go see the reaction of the guys. They're gonna want me to get rid of this. Truth now comes, people. A moment of truth. This might be good.
Bota la mierda esa.
We just made $1,000 just by putting air.
Limpiaste la cuadra entera.
And it begins. My goodness, this boat is beautiful. I just hope that engine is good. If not, I'm going to be in a world of hurt. But yeah, right now we're just soaking her up in chemicals. This is just basically a degreaser. Alright. One leak right here. Time to weather. Time to weather. Woo, yeah. Let's start making miracles. I did see a couple of leaks. Here's a quick snippet for you non-believers. I know there's a bunch of you. It's okay. We need you guys. If it wasn't for people like you, we wouldn't be able to get these opportunities. Alright. I don't even know why my voice is so low, but here you go. Here you go. There you go, non-believers. There you go. There you go. You want to write your name on there? Yeah? Non-believers. You don't know. Degreaser. Nautica. Magic eraser. Oh my goodness. It looks fake, huh? Whoa. Whoa. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Pretty intense, huh? Look, let me make it even more interesting. Like if I'm gonna pretend it's... There you go. There you go. There you go. That's it. Hypalon. Best material for inflatable boats. PVC is garbage. Yes. Yes. Are you listening? You heard that? Wait. Oh my God. What is that? Somebody who just whispered? Garbage. PVC is garbage. Any. I repeat, any boat that has PVC is garbage. I don't care what brand it is. It's garbage. All right? I've established that in the marketplace. It's garbage. Basura. All right. All right. The top is coming on. Come along, guys. Coming along. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? White. Obviously, we already know about these little patches that we're going to have to do. And that's the inside. Obviously, I haven't done anything in the inside yet. But what do you guys think? It's coming along, right? It's coming along. Coming along. Let's continue the process. Alright, so let me get some of this here. Alright, more degreaser. Put some degreaser. Alright. Guys, look at this. It's coming along. It's coming along. It's coming along. Alright. So, alright, so let's check this out here. Alright, this is a patience game here. Alright. Alright, patience game. Patience game. Patience game. Gotta work it. Work it, work it, work it. Alright. Alright. I'm not gonna do the whole thing now, but I just want to show you guys what we got. Alright guys. Alright. Check it out. We got some Clorox. We're gonna put this on the rub rail right now. Alright, so rub rail, we're gonna put that, see if it starts widening out. Look at the rub rail, how bad it is. It's got some mold and stuff, so let's see what we can do. Alright guys, look how it's working already. I just put my first hand of, look at that, look how the Clorox is just already eating up all the mold. It's eating it up. It's eating it up. Alright, so that's only the first hand, or the first time that I've sprayed it. But look, alright, let me give another example of this side. Look at this side right here. Alright, I'm degreasing everything up here now. Everything is going with the greaser. And then I'll just get, at this point it was floating because imagine I put so much water in here already. Oof. Oh, I hope that's waterproof. Well, we'll see. Alright. We'll see. Oh, this area's gotta get touched up. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use a little rag, because a rag will be better in this scenario. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a lot of work, but if you're relentless and you don't take no for an answer, you can pick up one of these little cheap dinghies. This is an awesome dinghy. This is awesome. You don't understand how good these dinghies are. These little on Nauticas, man, the little wide body versions. 13.5 and the 15, I'm a huge fan of them. I haven't really used these 12s much, but they're more convenient in the sense that they're smaller for like weight wise and stuff like that, for limited weight scenarios and on yachts and stuff. But I mean, think about it. Look at this. It's coming along. You guys just saw this on the ground. It's on the ground waiting to die. Hey, the guy who said this boat has seen better days, it absolutely has, and today's one of them. There you go, bro. 150 bucks. I told you, you had a chance, but you refused. I don't know why, but look at this. I told you guys, this is beautiful. A gem of a boat. Nautica wide body. Only reason why I can get away with this is because these boats are made absolutely super stunningly good, and the older ones are even better than the newer ones. All right, that's the trick. The older ones are better than the newer ones. All right, look at that. Perfect, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Like, subscribe. I got a bunch of stuff on this channel. If you guys like fishing, I have a show that I do rib fishing on, and I basically fish off of an inflatable. I got a couple more things I got to do to this guy. Let me show you guys what I use to clean this Nautica wide body. All right, let me show you exactly what I used. And here they are, baby, the MVPs. All right, starting off, rust remover by Starbright. Clorox. I got a spray bottle, some magic eraser. This is like a generic brand, Formula 88. This is probably the MVP. Worked a lot today. The Scott Bright brush and a rag. That's it, people. That's what I used.